Welcome to Dentique Dental Services, a purposely built training facility in Melbourne for digital dentistry. And we've got some exciting news. We've got a great course upcoming. It's called Flippity Jippity. As the title says, we're not taking ourselves too serious, but we do take our course content very serious. We're going to talk all about scanning, designing, 3D printing, finishing. Unfortunately, I can't do all this by myself. So we're going to fly over a specialist all the way from Sydney. Please let me introduce you to my friend Dr. Andrew Ip.
G'day, I'm Dr. Andrew Ip, and thank you Ron for collaborating with me on this project of ours. If you're an eager, energetic dentist willing to take the next step in digital dentistry, then look no further.
Andrew? Hello? Andrew? Unfortunately, these things happen in digital dentistry. Technical problems. Join us on the 18th and 19th of October on this amazing course, and we're going to take you by the hand how to deal with this. So you want to have an exciting course together with us and have 14 CPD points, subscribe and register to our course, and hopefully we will see you there.